everyone, so today we're talking about everyone's favorite topic, mortgages. While mortgages are not a sexy part of real estate, they are a critical part and you need to understand them. The more you know about mortgages, the better decisions you can make for your financial future. So first, let's talk about the mortgage process itself. First, you'll meet with several different lenders and get pre-approved. The lenders will take a look at your finances and give you a ballpark idea of what your mortgage could look like. You want to meet with multiple lenders to make sure you get the best rates at this point in time. Your real estate agent will have some great recommendations, so make sure to touch base with them. And if you're working with a Keller Williams agent, be sure to ask about Keller Mortgage. They offer zero lender fees, a discounted rate, and a $1,000 credit on loans over $150,000. You can apply through my KW mobile app, so click the link in my bio to download it if you want to check it out. After you find a lender, you'll do the fun part and find a home you want to buy. So you'll work with your agent and put an offer in. When the seller selects your offer and you sign a purchase agreement, you'll put in an official mortgage application with the lender of your choice. At this point, the lender will take a deep dive into your employment, income, assets, debt, and all that fun stuff and look at the information on your property that you want to buy. They'll create a loan estimate based off of that. If you like the estimate, you'll move forward to loan underwriting. A loan underwriter is a financial expert at the lender's office that will look very closely at the property, financial, and loan paperwork that went into your loan estimate. They'll then decide whether to approve or deny the application. I know that sounds kind of scary, but if you've prepared all your paperwork correctly and aren't trying to commit fraud or anything, you shouldn't have a problem getting approved. So after you get approved, you'll close the sale and boom, you've just bought yourself a home. Super exciting, but you've probably heard that there are multiple kinds of mortgages, right? So how do you know which one to choose? Well, your real estate agent and lender will be a great resource here, but I'll give you the deal on the most common mortgage types. So first, you have conventional mortgages, which are the traditional 15 or 30-year mortgages that your parents probably have. There are two types of conventional mortgages, fixed rate and adjustable rate. A fixed rate mortgage means that you'll have the same interest rate throughout the duration of the loan. So you'll have the same mortgage payment every month for the next 30 years. Nice and predictable. An adjustable rate mortgage has a changing interest rate. With this mortgage type, you'll probably start out at a low interest rate and then the rate will increase over the period of your loan. If you plan to pay off your loan super quickly, this could be a good loan option for you. Then there are government-issued mortgages, which are basically what they sound like. The government backs these loans, so banks will give them to people who might not otherwise be able to get a mortgage. These loans usually have a lower entry requirement, so you can pay less of a down payment or have less than perfect credit, which is great. You've probably heard of a VA loan, which is a great choice if you or your partner is a veteran. There's also an FHA loan backed by the Federal Housing Administration, which helps lower income buyers get into homes with a low down payment. And if you're looking at buying in a rural area, you can check out the USDA loan, which will also let you buy a home with a smaller down payment. Okay, so there's your overview of mortgages. Now you should kind of understand the process of getting a mortgage and the most common mortgage types. If you want to know more, just go ahead and click the link in my bio to download my KW mobile app and then check out the Keller Mortgage tab. And you can also download a copy of my free mortgage guide that has more details in it. If you have any more mortgage related questions, just shoot me a DM.